Welcome everyone. In today's session, we will see shortcuts on the chapter Time and Work. Time and work is also a very important chapter in any of the government exams, in any of the competitive exams. 1, 2 or 3 problems on time and work will come in any of the bank exams or SSC, railways, any of the competitive exams. So this is also a very important chapter. So what is time and work? Time is the period for which a work is completed. Okay, one work is given and for how much time that work is completed, or it can be vice versa. For a given work, how much time is required, or for the given time how much work is completed. Okay, so one important thing we need to remember in time and work chapter is time is equal to the total work done divided by the efficiency of the worker. Okay, this is the very important formula, and all the problems are solved using this formula itself. Okay, this particular equation or formula itself. Okay, so very important to remember that the time taken to do a work is given by the total work divided by the efficiency, that is the efficiency of that particular person. Okay, so time and work chapter I have divided in five different parts. Okay, I will solve the time and work problems in 5 different parts. So what are those? Let us see. The first part is the basic questions. Okay, basic questions, which will, in this basic questions I will discuss about LCM method. Okay, and this LCM method itself we will be using throughout all the parts, all the topics. Okay, the same LCM method is used in all the topics to solve all kind of problems. The second is man leaving and joining problems. There will be some problems where if two people are working, okay, they both start the work together, but after some days one person will leave and the other person will complete the remaining work. So this means that man leaving. Okay, and some person, after some days some person might join the work, isn't it? So those problems we have divided as man leaving and joining problems. So how to deal with these kind of problems we'll see. Next type is alternate day working problems. Alternate day working problems. Okay, in this we will see if two people A and B are there who have to do a work, it is such that A and B will alternately do the work. That means if in first day if A is working, second day B will work, then third day again A will work, fourth day B will work. In this way alternately they will work and complete the work. So how much time they will take working alternately to complete the work? So these kind of problems we call them as alternate day working problems. So such kind of problems we'll see in third part. Then we have fourth part, that is efficiency based problems. Efficiency based problems. Okay, that is efficiency of people is given. Now for example, if A is 50% more efficient than B, then how much time A will take to complete the work, okay, like this. Or if B is less efficient than A, or A is less efficient than B, so how much time they will take to complete the work. So like this, any efficiency based question is given, so how to deal with those type of questions and how to solve. So that comes in efficiency based problems. Now last part is men, woman, boys problems. What do you mean by men, woman and boys based problems? Means now there will be problems like 15 men are equal to 20 boys, okay, or 10 men are equal to 15 women. So then how much time the 15 women will take to complete the work, like that it will be given, okay. So men, woman, boys problems we'll see how to solve in the fifth part. So these are the 5 parts in which I have divided the problems, and each different type how to solve them will see, okay. So starting with the first problem and the first type, that is basic questions, which is in which we will see LCM method, how LCM method is used. So the first problem, A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B alone can do it in 30 days. In how many days A and B can complete the work? Okay. So traditionally how we do that? If A can do a piece of work in 20 days, A can do a piece of work in 20 days, then we'll say A's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 20. Then B can do one work in 30 days, then B's 1 day work is given by 1 by 30. Then we will take 1 by 20 and 1 by 30 and we will add together. In how many days A, B can complete together, means what we will do? A plus B is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 we do, and then take LCM, multiply, and all that we do in the regular method. But in this short trick we will not take fractions, okay. Fractions we will neglect, and directly how LCM we can take and solve the problem we will be seeing. So that itself is the short trick, okay. So first let us write time, okay. Time for which A will take how many days? 20 days. Then B will take how many days? 30 days, okay. So the total work is what? The LCM of these two, okay, 20 and 30 LCM is itself the total work, okay. LCM of 20 and 30 is how much? It is 60. 30, you have to take the first, if two numbers are there, take the largest number and go on seeing the multiple of that largest number, and whichever number is divisible by 20 also, that itself is the LCM. Means the least number which is divisible, which is common for both 20 and 30. So that itself is least common multiple. Now 30 ones are 30. Is it divisible by 20? No. 30 twos are 60. Is it divisible by 20? Yes. So 60 itself is the LCM of 20 and 30. So total work is 60 units. Okay, the LCM of 20 and 30. Okay, that itself is 60 units. Means it is the total work which has to be completed. Now, the third part is efficiency. Okay, the third part is efficiency. We have to calculate efficiency of A and efficiency of B separately. So what is efficiency of A? Now 60 units work it is done in 20 days. A can do it in 20 days. So in one day, how much unit of work A can do? So it is 60 by 20, which is equal to 3. 1s are 3s are. So it is 3 units per day. Okay, A can do 3 units per day. Similarly, what about B? B can do how much units per day? It is given by 60 total work divided by the total days. So that is 60 by 30, which is equal to 2. That means B can do 2 units per day. So this is the efficiency of A and B. Now the time is given by, initially I have told you all, it is total work, okay, divided by efficiency. Okay, so total work is how much? It is 60 units. And efficiency, in how many days A and B complete the work? They are saying A and B together, in how many days they will complete the work. So A can complete 3 units per day and B can complete 2 units per day. So totally in one day, how much A and B together will complete? They will complete 5 units per day. So this is the efficiency of A and B. Okay, so 60 divided by 5, which is equal to 5 1s are 5, 12s are. So it is 12 days. So A and B together will complete the total work in 12 days. Okay, so this is the method which I will follow throughout all the problems. Okay, so this you need to understand. So as and when we go on proceeding with the problems, you will understand. Okay, so the next problem, A and B together can do a piece of work in 7.5 days and B alone can do it in 25 days. So in how many days B alone finished the work? Okay, there is one work. If A and B together, if they do, they will take 7.5 days to complete. And if B alone can do it in 25 days. So in how many days? It should be A alone. Okay, sorry, it should be A. In how many days A alone finished the work? Okay, so now first let me see the time. Time A and B's time is given. So A and B together can complete in how many days? 7.5 days, which is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 by 2 days. Okay, then B alone can do it in how many days? In 25 days. Okay, now total work, we have to take LCM of this. Now in the first part it is 15 by 2. So don't take 15 by 2, directly take only the numerator. Consider only the numerator, neglect the denominator. So the LCM of 15 and 25. Okay, so check in the multiples of 25. 25 ones are 25, it is not divisible by 15. 25 twos are 50, is not divisible by 15. 25 threes are 75. Yes, 75 is divisible by 15. So 75 is the LCM of 15 and 25. So the total work is how much? It is 75 units. Means 75 units of work is the total work. So this is the LCM. Okay. Next, we have to see efficiency. So efficiency of A and B. Okay, if A and B together can do the work in 15 days, that is 75 units, they can do it in 15 by 2 days. Then one work they will do it in, so in one day they will do how much work? Okay, that is 75 divided by 15 by 2. Okay, that is 15 by 2. By 2 will go on top, it becomes multiplication. So 15 ones are 15 5s are. It is 5 into 2, 10 units per day. So A and B, when they are working together, they will complete 10 units per day. Then B alone B alone will complete how much? So 75 units B will complete in 25 days. So in one day how much unit it will complete? So 75 divided by 25. 1s are 3s are. So B will complete 3 units per day. Okay. A and B together will complete 10 units per day and B alone will complete 3 units per day. So from this we can get A's efficiency. How is it? A plus B minus B. If I in A plus B, if I deduct B's efficiency, then I'll get A's efficiency. So A plus B together it is 10 and B's alone it is 3. So A's alone it will be 7 units per day. So A's efficiency is 7 units per day. So the time taken by A to complete the work is given by time is equal to total work divided by efficiency. So total work is how much? 75 units and efficiency of A is 7. So it is 7 tens is 70 and 5 will remain. So 10 5 by 7 days. So A alone will take 10 5 by 7 days. Option A is the answer. So this method we will follow throughout all the problems. Okay. And this is very easiest method. So the next problem. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 8 days. Okay, A, B and C, all three can do a piece of work in 8 days. If B alone do the same work in 18 days, B alone will do the same work in 18 days and C alone will do it in 24 days. Okay, in how many days A alone will do that work? Okay. So it is same like the above. So time is given of A, B and C. So A, B and C together will do a piece of work in 8 days. Okay. And B it is given. B alone will do it in 18 days. And C alone will do it in 24 days. Okay. So the first step is always find the total work. Total work is given by the LCM of all these three. Okay. So LCM of 8, 18 and 24. Now the highest number is 24. So go on seeing in the multiples of 24. 24 ones are 24. Is it divisible by? Now so the next highest number you should see. Okay. So the next highest number is 18. So is it 24 is divisible by 18? No, but it is divisible by 8 but not 18. But the multiple should be divisible by all the three numbers. Okay, so 24 cannot be the LCM. Next, 24 twos are 48. 48 is divisible by 8 but not 18. So 48 cannot be the LCM. So next, 24 threes are 72. So 72 is divisible by 18, yes, and 72 is divisible by 8, yes. So 72 is the LCM of all three. So the total work is 72 units. Okay. Next, we have to see the efficiency. So A plus B plus C can do 72 units because total work we have got now. So total work is 72 units. 72 units they can do in 8 days. So in one day how much unit they can complete? So 72 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 nines are 72, which is equal to 9 units per day. So A, B and C together will complete 9 units per day. Next, the efficiency of B. So B will complete 72 units in 18 days. So in one day how much unit it will complete? 72 by 18. 18 ones are 18 fours are. So B will complete 4 units per day. Next, efficiency of C. Okay. Then C will complete 72 units in 24 days. So in one day how much unit it will complete? 72 divided by 24. 24 ones are 24 threes are. So in one day 3 units of work C will complete. Okay. Now, but we want A alone, in how many days it will finish the work. Okay. Now, A plus B plus C together they will complete how much work together? It is 9 units, isn't it? 9 units per day. 9 units per day. Then we know B and C how much they will complete, isn't it? So B and C together will complete 7 units per day, that is 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7. So B plus 3 will complete 7 units per day. So A plus B plus C's efficiency is how much? 7, and total is 9. From this we will get A's efficiency. A's efficiency is 9 minus 7 which is equal to 2 units per day. So A will complete 2 units per day. So the time taken by A to complete 72 units. So time is equal to 72 total work divided by efficiency of A, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 36 are. Therefore 36 days. A will take 36 days to complete the work. Option C is the answer. Okay. So the next problem. A can do half of piece of work in 5 days. Okay, so time will write first. So A can do half of work. Okay, in half of work A can complete in 5 days. So if A can complete in 5 days, then one work in how many days it will complete? 10 days. Half plus half. So 1, that is 1, which is equal to 5 plus 5, 10 days. Then B can do 3/5 of the same work. 3/5 of the same work in 9 days. In 9 days. Okay. Now this we can say that if 5 is the total work, okay, then 3 part of the work B can do it in 9 days. So that is 3 into 3 is 9. Then 5 part of work it will do in how many days? 5 into 3 which is equal to 15 days. Okay. That, see, if 3 by 5. So if 5 is the total work, from total work 3 parts of work B is doing in 9 days. So 5 part of work in how many days it will do? 3 into 3 is 9. So 5 into 3 will be 15. Same multiple you have to multiply. Okay. Then C can do 2 by 3 of that work in 8 days. Now same way, if 3 is the total work, 2 part of that work C will do in 8 days. So 3 parts it will do in how many days? 2 into 4 is 8. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12 days. So C will take 12 days to complete that work. Okay. Now we'll see total work. So the LCM of 10, 15 and 12. Okay, the LCM of all these is how much? 10, 15 and 12. 15 is the greatest number. So 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 30 is not divisible by 12. 15 threes is 45. 45 is not divisible by 12. 15 fours are 60. Yes, 60 is divisible by 12 also and 10 also. So 60 units is the total work, because 60 is the LCM of 10, 15 and 12. So 60 is the total work. So let us see the efficiency of them. Okay. So if 60 units A can do in 10 days, in 1 day how much A will do? 60 by 10, which is equal to 6 units per day. Similarly, B will do, this is total work. Okay. So B will do 60 units in 15 days. Then in 1 day how much it will do? 15, 60 by 15, which is equal to 4. So 4 units per day. So B will do 4 units per day. Then C will do 60 units in 12 days. So in 1 day how many units C will complete? 1s are 5s are, which is equal to 5 units per day. Okay. Then what is the question? In how many days can 3 of them together do the work? Okay, together all the 3 will complete the work in how many days? Now in one day how much work they will complete? All 3 together, 6 plus 4 plus 5, 15 units they will complete in one day. So 15 units if they complete in one day, A plus B plus C together. Okay. So in 60 to 60 units of work, how many days it will take? So time is equal to total work divided by efficiency. That is all the 3's efficiency. 15. 15 the ones are 15. 4s are. So all 3 of them together will take 4 days to complete the work. Okay. It's so simple, isn't it? If we follow the same method for all the problems, it is so simple. Okay. So next problem. A and B do work in 8 days. Okay, A and B do a work in 8 days. B and C do it in 24 days. And C and A do it in 8 4 by 7 days. In how many days C alone can do the whole work? Okay. So time, who's all they have given? A and B together will do the work in 8 days. Okay. And B and C together they will do in 24 days. And C and A together will complete the work in 8 4 by 7 days, which is nothing but 8 7 is 56 plus 4 60 by 7 days. Okay. Then what is the LCM? Total work we have to find out. Total work is nothing but the LCM of all these 3. So LCM of 8, 24 and 60. 8, 24 and 16. Don't take denominator. Just take the numerator. Okay. So 60 ones are 60. 60 is not divisible by 24 and 8 also. 62 is 120. Yes, 120 is divisible by 24. 24 5s are 120 and 8 15s is 120. Okay, so 120 is the LCM. So 120 is the total work. 120 units is the total work. So now let us see the efficiency. Okay. So efficiency of A plus B. A plus B can do, A and B together will do 120 units in 8 days. So in one day how much they will do? 120 by 8, 8 ones are 8, 15s are, which is equal to 15 units per day. So in one day they will complete 15 units. So B plus C together they will do 120 units in 24 days. So in one day how much they will do? 120 divided by 24. 1s are 5s are. So they will complete, B plus C together they will complete 5 units per day. Now C plus A together they will complete 120 units in 60 by 7 days. So in one day how much they will complete? So it is 120 divided by 60 into divided by 7 will go on top. Okay, 1s are 2s are, so 2 7s are, it is 14. They will complete 14 units per day. Okay. Then when you are taking division you have to consider 60 and 7 both you have to consider. 60 by 7 both you have to consider. Okay, but when you are taking LCM consider only the numerator. So totally A plus B plus, so A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is what? 2 into A plus B plus C, because it will be 2A, 2B and 2C. So 2 if I take it out common it will be 2 into A plus B plus C. So here altogether it is how much? 15 plus 14 is 29 plus 5 is 34. So it is 34. 4 units per day. Okay, so all of them are in LHS side it is 2 into A plus B plus C, and RHS side it is 34 units per day. So A plus B plus C in one day how much they will do? It is 34 divided by 2, which is equal to 17 units per day. Okay, so A plus B plus C together they will do 17 units per day. Now they are asking us C alone will do the whole work in how many days? Now we know A we want C, isn't it? We know all together it is A 17, and B plus C, only B plus C, it is how much? B is 5 and C is 14, so it is 19. So we want C alone, isn't it? Oh, so sorry. So A plus B is how much? 15 plus 5 is 20, plus C alone we don't know, which is equal to 17. All the threes was 17. Therefore C alone can do the whole work in. Sorry, A plus B together they will take 15 units. They will complete 15 units, isn't it? So A plus B together it is 15. So it should be 15. So it is A plus B together it is 15 units per day. So it is 15 plus C is equal to 17. Therefore C is equal to 17 minus 15, which is equal to 2 units per day. So C will complete 2 units per day. So how much time C will take? Time is equal to total work. Total work is 120 and efficiency of C is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are. So it is 60 days. So C alone will take 60 days to complete that work. Okay.